Spring is sprung. Here at Red Level, we are all for it.
Baseball is back.
Go Tigers.
The sky is blue, the grass is green, pure Michigan vibes.
And there's nothing better than kicking off the season with a fresh start.
So that's why every year we host Tech Spring Cleaning.
Your chance to clear out all your dusty, outdated tech from your server room.
So we're talking all these old laptops, phones,
Servers, monitors,
hard drives, printers.
Cables!
If it plugs in, powers on, or doesn't, we'll take it.
Red Level offers free, safe, secure recycling of all your old tech junk.
And hey, since you're already swinging by, why don't you stop by for an ice cold drink and a tasty taco? That's what good neighbors do.
because at Red Level, we're not just an award-winning IT firm, we're your friendly neighborhood tech team.
Always live, always local.
And since friends and neighbors are dropping by, we figured, why not have a little fun?
This year we're teeing up the excitement with a golfing simulator.
A little friendly competition with prizes for the best drive.
We also need some IT pros in the area, so it totally counts as networking.
It's swing and spring cleaning.
What's not to like?
Safe and secure tech recycling.
Good food.
Networking.
And a chance to warm up your golf swing. Sounds like a great way to spend an hour or two. Hope to see you Thursday, May 1st.
RSVP at redlevelgroup.com/springcleaning.
For